Hi friends, welcome to Mummy Magics. Today we would be making yummy avocado sandwich. Yes, it's so yum and it is a very heavy breakfast option. So do try it and it's very quick. All you need is avocados, onions, bread slices, some butter, salt, pepper, lemon juice and a cheese slice that's optional. So I've given the ingredients here and I have also added tomatoes in this just for some juice texture. It's completely optional. I have given you the complete ingredients list. So I have taken one onion, finely chopped it, and I have kept it aside. And I have scooped out one ripe avocado, and I would mash it and make it into a paste kind of texture and keep it aside. So we have to be really quick because avocados do oxidize. So just be aware of that. Add some lemon juice to kind of avoid it if in case it's going to take some time. I have sliced some grapevine tomatoes and kept it aside. If you have regular tomatoes, just add some slices. If you're interested, salt and pepper to taste. I was needing quarter teaspoon each and you can just adjust it accordingly. And you would need a lemon juice, like I said, to avoid the oxidization and to kind of add that punch when you're eating the sandwich. We would need around 3 teaspoons of butter to spread the butter inside the bread and outside the bread to grill it. So for 6 slices, I have taken around 3 teaspoons of butter. This is unsalted butter. It's completely optional for you to keep it unsalted or salted. So I have taken around 6 bread slices. Now, like I said earlier, we would mash the avocado when it is almost ready to make the sandwich. And now into this, I'm going to add the finely chopped onions. And we would add the salt and pepper to it and the lemon juice and give it a mix. Check salt at this stage, add it if required, otherwise you can completely avoid it. If it's all good, you're ready to go for the sandwich. Now I have spread the butter on one side of the bread each, and onto that we would be spreading the avocado mixture generously. And once you're done with it, place some tomatoes, and that's again completely optional. So if you're not keeping tomatoes, you want to replace it with spinach or lettuce or anything, that's up to you. I have kept tomatoes for the juicy texture, and once you've layered the tomatoes, you can layer the cheese. That's again completely optional. If you're on diet, if you want to avoid it, do avoid it, but it's a good option for breakfast if you're preferring a heavy breakfast. Now cover the other bread where you have spread some butter, cover it the other side. Now on the top you would be spreading some butter gently, and we are going to grill it. Now grilling, 2 options there. I use my electric griller sometimes, I use my tawa sometimes. So I have got both the things shown in the video. The one which you're seeing right now is the one which is on the griller tawa. It is not the sandwich which you press and make it. Now the one which you're seeing right now gets pressed, and it is in the sandwich maker which I make it. So either which ways, it's going to taste yum. Do try it. Share your feedback as always. Stay tuned guys till next recipe. Take care then, bye bye.